Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to center a rectangle in a panel. Also, we will see how to give the rectangle a motion. So stay with me till the end of the video. So first, let's create our constructor, and inside I will create a frame. Import JFrame. This frame, I will give it a name, drawing panel, but you can give it any name you want. Then create the panel where our rectangle will be drawn. In this panel, I will override a very important painting method called Paint Component. It has a parameter G of a graphics class. Call super.paintComponent of G2. Set a color to the panel, which here I prefer this one on the right, but of course you can select whatever color you like by changing the RGB parameters of color class, and set the specified color to the background. I define two variables, width and height, with 0 values. Before using these variables, I have to make sure that both of them are equal zeros. Now the width variable will be equal to the width of our container, where we can represent it by frame.getContentPane, and the same applies to the height. Before drawing the rectangle, let's adjust the thickness of the line I draw with. And I want to show you the size of the frame. "400 width and 400 height. Set our panel to the frame, and now I go back to the panel and draw the rectangle. Draw rectangle method has 4 parameters. The first two represent the coordinates of the point at the upper left corner of our rectangle. The last two represent the length and the width, which will be 80 and 40 respectively. So the x-coordinate will be the width of the whole container divided by 2 and minus 40. This 40 is the half value of rectangle's length. And for y-coordinate will be the height of the container divided by 2 and minus 20. Also, this 20 is the half value of the rectangle's width. Create an object by calling the constructor to draw the panel. I use while loop to make the rectangle move by calling repaint on the panel. But as you can see, that panel variable is not visible for main method because I've defined it inside the constructor. So I will define this variable outside the constructor. Use 100 milliseconds as a pause time. Throws interrupt exception and save, then execute. Oops, it seems that I forgot to add something because the rectangle is not moving. It turns out I forgot to add width and height in the paint component method. Execute, and here is our frame drawing panel.